विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. म्हादय संदर्भात जी समस्या निर्माण जाल्या ती रोखडीच सुटावी जातली. ते नदरेन मुखेलमंत्री कार्यरत आसा. येवपी 15 दिसां भितर ह्या प्रस्नार तोडगो काडटले. ना तर 40 आमदारांचे शिष्टमंडळ केंद्रीय रान आनी पर्यावरण मंत्री जावडेकरांची भेट घेतले म्हण आमदार टिकल्यान सांगला. अर्डेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
म्हादय इश्यू जावन आसा एकदम इट्स गंभीर इश्यू जावन आसा. इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा आनी त्या खातीर खूब आवाज ताजेर जाल्लो आसा. थोडे आंदोलन करून फुडें सरले, बरे बरे लोक शिकले लोक फुडें करून सरले. वय तांकां काळजी आसा. दे आर व्हेरी मच वरीड अबाउट द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. सो आर वी एंड ऑल द गोवन्स. आनी त्या खातीर आमचे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत इज टोटली फोकस ऑन द issues on this particular issue of the Mhadei, which was already represented Goa and all for different parties as well. Minister for Environment, Mr. Prakash Javadekar, and tanen tanen ek committee already have a committee to give him a report, and we are very confident that the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant is very well versed with the matter. He will ensure he will leave no stone unturned to ensure. He will ensure that this matter is resolved, because this is our lifeline. As it is, the water coming into Goa is very very important. Since we are on a low basin, it's very very important, and we ensure that somehow we'll get this matter resolved. And which Mr. Javadekar, our Honorable Union Minister, has promised that within 15 days he would resolve this matter. So I would like my personal view on this, that we will definitely ensure that this matter gets resolved. If not, we will all have to go. All the 40 MLAs will have to go, and once again speak to the Honourable Minister, if need be, even the Honourable Prime Minister, and ensure that the matter is resolved.